It's one of the hottest and harshest places on Earth. Temperatures often rise above 100 degrees. This is the Mojave Desert in California, where Rio Tinto Minerals operates one of the two largest borate mines and refining plants in the world, supplying more than 40% of global demand. Deposited millions of years ago, borates are crystallized salts that contain boron and have a wide range of industrial applications. At our California operations, we produce refined borate products for three key markets: Asia, the Americas, and Europe. And we're exploring and developing other mineral resources around the world. As a naturally occurring element, traces of boron can be found almost everywhere. In soil, water, and in plants and crops, which use it to help them grow. It's also part of a healthy diet. Its many industrial uses include detergents and soap, but boron and borates have literally hundreds of performance-enhancing functions in glass and ceramics to fertilizers and flat-screen TVs, tablet computers, and solar energy panels. In addition, they are used in fiberglass for both insulation and for wind farm equipment in today's alternative energy applications. Commercially viable quantities of this rare and versatile mineral have only been found in a very few places in the world, and one of those is California. Over 135 years ago, huge deposits of borax were discovered in California's Death Valley. Without roads or towns in between, the material had to be hauled over 100 miles across the scorching desert to the railroad depot. Huge wagons with 20 mule teams were employed to do this. They carried over 15 million tons without the loss of a single wagon or a single mule. The company even sponsored a popular TV series celebrating the past and the desert region itself.
Death Valley Days is brought to you by U.S. Borax, the makers of 20 Mule Team laundry and cleaning products.
Today, the mules have been replaced by fleets of rail cars, containers, ships, barges, and trucks, and facilities in the United States, Europe, and Asia. They are part of a reliable and cost-effective international logistics network which ensures that our global customers receive the right products at the right time. Equally important is our ability to differentiate ourselves by driving innovation and by developing new products and processes. Research and development is what sets Rio Tinto Minerals apart, both from other mining businesses and its competition in the borate market. We invest money in understanding other possible uses for borates, or how we might use our existing products or different applications to grow our market share. At our Minerals Group headquarters in Denver, Colorado, we have one of the most advanced borate research facilities anywhere in the world. We have also established an Asia Technology Center in China to better serve the Asian market. Our research and development group is distinguished by its people. We have the recognized leaders in borate chemistry and products. They're able to understand the technology of our products, the chemistry, and the physical properties, as well as the market needs. Borate chemistry is unique, and therefore finding the right people who understand it is a challenge. We have PhD-level experts, both in the Americas as well as in Europe and Asia, who work closely with our customers to understand their requirements. Borates have been used in vitreous applications for centuries. We're developing new products to help fiberglass and ceramics producers reduce their environmental impact and lower energy costs. Borates are increasingly used as preservatives for wood, helping to prevent damage and promoting longer life. We have extended our expertise in agricultural micronutrients to help farmers around the world increase crop quality and yield. We're also developing new applications for enhancing performance in electronic circuit boards, the glass for computer screens, and in the flat-screen TV market. RIo Tinto Minerals spends considerable time with our customers so that we're able to understand their market needs. Then we revisit our product line to ensure each one meets those needs and set appropriate development targets so that we stay ahead of the competition and of alternative products. One of our most important priorities is environmental sustainability, and California is one of the most heavily regulated areas in the world. We work together with outside partners and independent organizations to understand the biodiversity of the desert and to rehabilitate any areas that may have been affected by the mine. In a desert region, water is a scarce resource, and we conserve and recycle as much of our water as we can. Controlling emissions is also a key priority. Greenhouse gas emissions are a key issue in California. In response, RIo Tinto Minerals has reduced our greenhouse gas emissions while keeping our energy use flat through more efficient equipment and practices. We volunteered for the California Climate Action Registry, and we're the first mining company to join this group. We monitor all of our emissions and energy use in an effort to continually improve in both areas. We also believe that it's important to be good citizens in our local communities. Our visitor center provides an opportunity for members of the public to get to know us and learn about what we do. We've also established the Borax Visitor Center Foundation to oversee the distribution of visitor center income to a wide range of community projects. Throughout our operations, safety is valued as a way of life because of our remote location. Emergency preparedness is essential. The emergency response team here at Boron is comprised of about 30 individuals, all volunteers. We're trained in rope rescue, confined space rescue, hazardous material awareness. We're also involved in emergency response as far as medical emergencies. We're trained in CPR and first aid. We've continued to evolve our thinking and approach to safety over the years as we continue to find better ways of improving awareness, improving our performance, and ultimately eliminating all incidents. As global markets and our customers' needs evolve, how do we maintain our competitive edge? Having a good ore body is required, but our understanding of how to extract it, process and package it, and ensure that it reaches our customers in the right amount of time and in the highest quality is what makes RIo Tinto Minerals different. This is where our people excel. With over a century of experience behind us, we remain confident that our next 100 years will build even further on the successes of the firm.